Today we will discuss about what is forex trading live. Investment is over 100 shares. Why Axum, Edward and colleagues. Industry selection of World Finance 100 excellence in the financial industry. Gold accreditation for leading and developing people. Investment and Financial Expo 2016 Faster Growing Broker Mina. Best Market Research Education awarded by CFI Magazine by Chose Exam. With over 10 lakh clients since it was founded in 2019, Exam has grown to a large and well-established international investment firm and has been true industry leader. Licensed and regulated. Exim mean investment with a licensed and regulated broker, globally renowned. We have clients from over 190 countries and staff speaking over 30 languages. 27, 24, 24, 24 horse sport. Enjoy multiple lingual sport through a wide range of channels. Focus on the client. All our clients receive the same quality services, the same execution, and the same level of support. UNICEF Champion for Children, investors in people who invest in people platinum. अच्छा, Forex marketer, workplace for analysis. Where can I see live live forex chat? Forex market, live currency chats, news, ideas, and trading views. Which forex is good today? USD GPY positive have 0.15%. EUR GPB positive 0.11%. USD CHF positive 0.10%. EUR dash USD positive negative 0.19%. Which forex chat is best? Cand- Candlestick chart pattern. The candlestick chart pattern is forex can predict the currency pair market movement. It consists of opening price, closing price, high price, and low price of the currency pair that help trade identify if the market is moving in an upward direction or downward direction. How do I track forex market? Here is a four-step outline. First of all, understand the drivers. The odds of success trading is partly due to an understanding of current relation between the market and the reasons that these relationships exist. Number two, chart the index. Three, look for a consequence in other market. Number four, time the trader trades. Where is the best forex news? The best forex trade economical news website. Bloomberg. When it comes to financial news, there is no better source than Bloomberg. Finance mandates. 3. FX trade. 4. Forex factory. 5. Forex Peace 6. Trading View. 7. Forex Crunch. 8 net denia.